Oh shit! I got fucking soaked there. Awesome. Yeah. It is a wet, soggy evening, and I am going to go over to my girlfriend's place and take care of her cats for the weekend. So I need to get there, and it's raining, and I could take the subway, but I am a motorcyclist, and a little bit of rain doesn't scare me too much. It's a nice little downpour right now, though. We should have some fun. I'll try to remember to clean off the lens as much as possible. There you guys go. Okay, so as I stated, I'm gonna go take care of my girlfriend's cats. She is in Nashville for the weekend. Has anyone been to Nashville? Maybe I have some people that actually live near or around Nashville, Tennessee, because it is dope. I've been there a few times. Get around that guy. Jeez. Yeah, I've been over to Nashville a few times, and every time has been just insanely glorious. Nashville is one of my favorite places to go visit because there's so much great music, there's so many good bars to go to, and damn, the food was really good. That's pretty much all I remember about Nashville. It's just that the food was actually really, really stinking good. And plus, I'm a southern boy, you know? And whenever I can get proper southern cooking, oh man, I need to take advantage of that. And there's a speed camera right over here. So you just kind of take it easy, say hello to the speed camera. Alright. I'm not getting too wet. It's not too bad. Not too shabby. Oh god. Alright. Now it is kind of raining a little harder, or at least it seems so, because I am amongst traffic, so I'm going to be a little more careful with how I'm riding. But it's been raining for a while, so I don't have to worry about like crazy random oil slickness or anything like that you normally get with freshly fallen rain. What am I even talking about? I'm being a freaking nerd. Oh, you know, it's raining outside, but I don't have to worry about traction, because as of now there's only a 10% reduction in traction. What a nerd. Anywho. Yes, just be a good boy, right? Yeah, so the girlfriend's in Nashville this weekend, and I'm excited for her. This is like her first foray into Nashville. And I think she's gonna probably love it there, because Nashville is pretty dope. When I went there like 2-3 years ago. Yeah, anyways, really enjoyed my time in Nashville. But yes, so I will be taking care of my girlfriend's cats this weekend. And God forbid I do something wrong. I feel like I take care of a lot of people's animals on this channel. Like, it's been more than 4 or 5 times that I've mentioned that I'm taking care of animals on this channel at this point. Yeah. People trust me with their animals. I should put that on my resume. Moto Noir here. And let me tell you, when your doggy or kitty will see me, they're gonna be so happy. Their little tails will wag, and you'll be glad that you chose me to watch Sylvia and Vlad. You see that? I made it all rhyme. Oh man. Okay. Time to get home. Surprisingly, I don't feel like I'm that wet. But now I'm beginning to feel my butt crack saying, hello. You're sitting in a pool of water on your arse. I'm willing to bet that most of this this video is going to be completely unusable, just due to the amount of rain that has fallen and the amount of times I've wiped off the lens, which has not been very many times, actually. I'm actually a little embarrassed. Oh, I can't believe I'm waiting behind this guy. What am I waiting for? I should be around him to the next light by now. Sad times, really. I mean, seriously? For real? Seriously, bro. Okay. We're nipping this one in the butt. I'm not gonna wait behind that guy anymore. Can't do it. Oh my god. It's like so long. What is going on with this light? This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Okay, seriously, bro. This was like super long. Wow. Sheesh. Now, this is a very long intersection for people who walk through here. That is true. But my goodness. They provided far too long for the traffic of the other direction. Woo. Decided to come back. Wow, I'm not sure what that was. And then I did not fully click it up into second gear. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I clicked it up fully into second gear. And then when I let go, it's just like a free bike. It was like, woo! I'm not in any gear whatsoever. I'm gonna get crazy. So then I slowly applied the front brake and then came to a stop. Oh shit! I got fucking soaked there. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. What a vlog. What a vlog this one was. Fucking crazy. Love you guys. Have a great one. I'll see you in the next vlog.